Today is day 10 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 10. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here's door number 10. It is in the upper right-hand corner of the calendar. And here we have lemon yuzu spread. Last year there was pineapple yuzu and orange yuzu grapefruit. So this flavor is new. It looks like a marmalade and smells like a marmalade. Let's taste it. Very lemony. Definitely reminds me of like a lemon marmalade. Today I'm attempting to make a lemon custard pie with this lemon yuzu spread. I don't know if this is going to come out, but we're going to see what happens. So in this bowl I have 1 egg yolk, and I want to add 2 tablespoons of milk, or I'm using heavy cream just because I don't have milk. So that's 2 tablespoons. And now I am going to add the lemon yuzu spread. And I'm going to mix this together. I'm trying to make sure that the lemon spread dissolves as much as it can. There might still be a few chunks of lemon in there. That looks okay. For a crust, I'm using one of these Keebler Graham mini pie crusts. And these are really cute. They're just really small, miniature graham cracker pie crusts. Sometimes they don't come cleanly out of the foil pan that they're in, but that's okay. And now I'm going to pour my filling into this mini pie crust. It should be just enough. There's my mini pie crust with the lemon custard filling. I don't know how this is going to bake in the Dash mini toaster oven because I've never baked a mini pie in it before. I hope it comes out nice, but it could potentially come out really dark, so we'll see. Here's my Dash mini oven. I have not preheated it. I'm using the small pan that came with the oven, and I've covered it with aluminum foil. And I'm putting the mini pie on that. I just want to use the pan on the bottom just in case it drips. And then I need to put a shield of aluminum foil over the top. So I've just kind of bent some edges so it loosely fits over the pie. And I have to do that with this mini toaster oven, otherwise everything will burn. So there we go. I'm going to put this on 15 minutes. And I'm going to check it after 15 minutes. I don't think it's going to be done after 15 minutes, but we'll see what happens. It's been 15 minutes. Let's see what's going on. It smells like something's baking. That's what the pie looks like. It is not set. It is like far from set. So let's cover this up. Let's put it back in. I'm surprised that it's not even like half set. So let's set this for another 15 minutes. It's been another 15 minutes, and let's see what's going on in here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It looks pretty good. The middle is still a little bit jiggly. But I've heard that when you're making custard pies, you actually want it to be a little bit jiggly, and then it'll set like after the fact. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I should just put it in there a little bit longer. This part is where the foil hit the top of it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd rather have it overcooked than undercooked. So that's my concern. Like if it's really undercooked, I'd rather have it overcooked. So I'm going to put the foil back on, and I'm going to put it in for another 8 minutes. And then we'll check it after another 8 minutes. It's been about 7 minutes, and I'm going to check on this because it smells like it might be done. Okay, so there's the pie. It's definitely less jiggly in the center. I feel like it definitely needs to set, Actually, what I might do is put it back in to brown the top for like a minute. I just opened the door because I want to keep an eye on the crust. The crust is really nicely browned. There's still a lot of bubbling going on. Can you see how the pie is bubbling? All right, let's take it out. The crust is getting really brown. Here's the mini pie. I'm actually very surprised at how nice this looks. I'm gonna let it sit here and cool for quite a while, and then we'll take a look at it and I'm going to taste it. Here's the pie after it's been cooling off for a little bit. The top has settled down a bit and I cooled it at room temperature for a while and then I tossed it in the refrigerator because I thought it would cool faster. And right now I'm gonna taste it. I'm really excited to try this. I don't know if I should take the pie out of this little pan. I don't even know if it'll come out of this little pan. I'm kind of afraid to wreck it. It looks like the crust is pretty well attached to like the aluminum pie pan. Like, I don't know if it'll come out like in one piece. I know I'm probably gonna wreck it. So let's just cut into it. Let's see what happens if we cut into this. Will I be able to get a piece of pie out of it? I'm trying to make sure the knife goes all the way down to the bottom. Here's what's going on in this pie crust. It looks like I did not get all the way down to the bottom. So this is what I have here. It's really just like the pie filling with like a little bit of crust. I'm gonna taste it. The pie filling is so good. It's creamy, it's custardy. It has a lemon flavor. I wish the lemon flavor was a little bit brighter because it's not like a tangy lemon flavor at all. It's like a very mild lemon flavor. It actually just tastes like a lemon custard, just like a really mild lemon flavor. It's really good with the crust. It's really good with the crust because the crust is sweet and the filling is actually not that sweet. Or at least it doesn't taste that sweet. So it's a really nice balance with the filling and the crust. There we go. Here's the crust just came out. The crust is like sweet and somewhat caramelized. It has a bit of a stickiness to it. Let's see if we could just take out another piece. They always say the first piece is the hardest to get out, and sure, that's true. So here's the next piece. I want to put a little bit of whipped cream on this piece. This is so good. This pie crust must be really, really sweet because that bite was crazy sweet. And I know the whipped cream that I have is not terribly sweet, but this came out wonderful. I'm really happy with how this came out. It's delicious. And for just experimenting and not having a recipe, I'm definitely pleasantly surprised. And so that's what I did with the fruit spread from my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar today. I made a lemon custard pie with it in my Dash mini toaster oven. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads in this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.